Highers. Today topic editing the HTML document. Yesterday already I am explained the HTML how to open and sample two programs explained there. That video is available in the description box. Now editing HTML. This editing HTML attributes define the characteristics of elements and give additional information about the elements. And attributes have two parts: property and value. Now example: font face, body busy color, body text. Now HTML tags instruction. Tags are labels used to mark up a start and end of the HTML. Yesterday already I explained this one: opening tag and closing tag. This formatting HTML document web page more attractive and reliable. Another one, heading tag. It is used to specify various size of heading. HTML has 6 levels of headings. Those are H1 to H6. This heading level display the headings in biggest font of size. See here example. This is the program. In this program I am explaining along with the practice. This is the heading. Using heading tag, different types of headings. It means heading tag is 6 only. I am explaining that. Heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, heading 4, heading 5, heading 6. So heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, heading 4, heading 5, heading 6. It means increase this number, the size of words will be decreased. So heading 1 is size is very big, 2 is very less, 3 less. It means decrease the size of name. Now see the output. Save this one. Save. Every time save along with you .html. Desktop must ensure saving and save. Now go to HT desktop. Here this is the heading. Double click here. See once the output. Size 1 is welcome is very big. Size 2, size 3, size 4, size 5, size 6. The number is increased, but letters will be decreased. This is the using of heading 1 to heading 6 heading tag program. Understand? In this same code using, I am explain the another program. Now how to type that one? This is the program. Now here I am writing heading level 1. Okay, in this one copy paste. These all are here available 111. So here type the 2, next 3, next 4, next 5, next 6. Now completed this one program. Now output save as heading .html. Save. See headings. I am given to different name. Double click. See heading 1 is very big. Heading 2 is this one. Decrease the number. Number is increased. The levels of the letters is decreased. This is the previous. This is the now program. So using heading tags how to write the program can understand everyone. Now practice this both programs everyone. So past I explained that one, yesterday what I explained, that video also available in your description. How to open the HTML2 along with your sample program. Today I am explain heading tags. Tomorrow I am explain that one paragraph tags. Tomorrow I explain paragraph tag. So everyone in using of this heading tags any program and type the description and comment there. Any doubts also. Thank you.